Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of the Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is another one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code for a discount. Is that Myojo Shoyu? I think? I can't remember, but it'll say in the title for this Instant Noodle Recipe Time episode. So we've got this. And then we're going to add this to that. And so this will be a wonderful thing. It is Friday in where I am. And so that's the deal. And this is going to take, we got 3 minutes on here. Oh, we don't even have it turned on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, boom. So, yeah, it is Friday. I don't even know what that just said, some notification. But, yeah, in the news, we've got crazy Trump court junk. We've got him storming out and sending me a lot of, emails asking for money. This is a pretty big day. This will be post-review on Instant Noodle or on the ramenraider.com. The numbering for this show, the numbering for my reviews, and the times and dates when they get posted are crazy. So, but anyways, this will be review number 4,899. So I'm 101 reviews away from hitting the big 5,000. I'm already thinking what am I going to do for that one? I really have no idea. There's a good chance what'll actually end up happening is, since I'm so far ahead, I really see a likely chance that by the time I would get to 5,000, I won't have found something that I want to do yet. So I may just skip over that, but you guys won't know any. Well, I guess you will know better because I just told you. Oh. But, yeah, that's probably what's going to go down. I really don't know. I mean, it's a big number. The 5,000th review's got to be something good. 3,000 was an enormous yakisoba. 4,000 was another enormous, and even enormouser yakisoba. It was like the size of a family-sized Cheerios box. So I really don't. I don't know. I don't especially want to do yakisoba again, that's for sure. I like yakisoba, but Gigamax and Petamax yakisoba, that's been played out for the, I mean, a 5,000th review, that'd have to be I don't know, Megamax, Supermax, but that sounds like a prison. I just don't know. So yeah. Today is Friday, and that's an exciting thing. And yeah, poor Miles is still home, but it's a 3-day weekend. They've got a teachers don't do school on Monday thing. Basically, it's like a grading day and a teachers in-service day. So we won't go back on Monday, but it'll go back on Tuesday. So Tuesday, that's a big deal. I'll probably do reviews on Monday and then maybe take a couple weeks off, because I've done a lot lately. I've done almost, let's say I've almost done 15 reviews a week for the last 2 weeks. So that's an extra month ahead. I think this episode's coming out in June, and it is January 26th today. Yeah. This one looked like it was going to be really good. I was thinking maybe it was like a Tantan Man. It kind of bore the graphic on it that kind of made me think that. But I don't think it's a Shoyu. So here we are. Looks well done. We'll start with giving the noodle a try. Cheers. Yep. That is a noodle. And the broth. Kind of almost like a sweet. I'm not gonna say. I'm not saying like when I think sweet soy sauce, I think of Indonesian, like kecap manis, but no, it's like a shoyu, but it's got some sweetness to it. Not really all that enjoyable to me. There's that. Not thrilled. Not put off, but not exactly thrilled. And we will do an egg. Come on. I am really, really disappointed by these eggs. In the last, how many did I do? 1, 2. I don't know. I did 3 eggs yesterday. 2 of them popped. I did 3 of them today. 1 of them popped. I think the deal is that the yellow ones have a bit thicker of a shell, and that makes sure that they do better. These just did not. So, yep, brown eggs. Brown eggs do make it. At least for me. I hate wasting eggs. At least when I could be using them and taking pictures and going, look at that egg, folks. Look at that sassy egg full of goop. But sometimes it just doesn't work out. Yeah. It's a sad thing. So here is some sesame seed as well. And I could put some, I don't know. We will have some chashu. Yeah, let's torch it. I put more, what do you call it? I put more juice in the blowtorch. Make sure I got this all set up right. That's a little much. Settle down. There you go. There's our torched pork. And we'll do some shichimi. Up there. Nice little mound of shichimi. I like that, you know? It just adds a nice little bit of spiciness. A little bit of spashy. So there you go. Watch it spin around. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from a company out of Indonesia. This is called Mie Gelas. That just means noodle cup. And it's very small, as you can see. And this is ayam bawang, which means it's onion chicken. So that'll be next on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.